Good morning, Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm just going to fix some very simple pork spare ribs. Only thing you need is your crock pot and whatever you're going to cook them in. Today I'm going to cook them in George's BBQ sauce. I did get out some beef broth, but I've changed my mind and I'm going to have them in George's BBQ sauce today. So all we need to do, this is our lovely crock pot. We've got it cleaned out. We're just going to take our ribs and lay them in the crock pot. Okay, our ribs have been cooking now for 4 hours, so let's just see what we've got. Got a good smell. Well, I couldn't pick them up with these, so let's try something else. Let's just see how tender they are. Oh, they look like they're really tender. I just want to see for... Oh yes, look at this. That is really, really tender. So what I'm going to do now is I have got a pan with some aluminum foil on it. I'm just going to transfer the whole thing over here on this aluminum foil. We're going to put some Baby Rays BBQ sauce on it. I'm going to take this and put it in my Ninja and broil it for just a few seconds or a few minutes, and I'm going to stand here and watch it, and we'll be ready for dinner. Okay, I put the barbecue sauce on it and I broiled it for 4 minutes. It actually just fell off the bone. That is really tender. I had made some country potato salad earlier, and this is my dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is barbecue spare ribs. I started off using George's BBQ sauce, but then I decided I was going to put some sweet Baby Rays after they got done. I let them cook in the crock pot with the George's BBQ sauce, and then I took them out and I put them in an aluminum pan with aluminum foil, and we covered them with Baby Rays BBQ sauce. Put them in my Ninja for 4 minutes, And this is what we've got. It looks fantastic, smells good, fell off the bone, and like I say, I put some potato salad. Now I'm ready to eat. Around the house, give me your comments and come back to see me. Have a good day. Bye.